Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can unlock your Facebook profile. So if you have logged your Facebook profile, what you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. First, click on the three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, you can see the See Your Profile option right here. Simply click on the See Your Profile button and it will lead you to the Profiles page of your account. Then once you are in the Profiles page, you can see these three vertical dots again besides the Edit Profile button. Simply click on these three vertical dots. Then once you have clicked here, you can see the fourth option which says Unlock Profile. So simply click on this Unlock Profile button. Then it will lead you to this page which says you have logged your profile. So in order to unlock your profile, simply click on this Unlock button in the middle. Once you have clicked on the Unlock button, it will give you a warning that this setting will return to the way they were before you logged the profile, and it will give you the date when you logged your profile, and it will give you some other details as well. Now if you want to proceed with the operation, simply click on this Unlock Your Profile button at the bottom. Once you have clicked here, it will take a little time, and here you can see that your profile has now been unlocked. Simply click on this OK button and just try to refresh it, and here you can see that the lock profile button is now disappeared and other people will able to access your complete profile. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.